like part of the uncaged cycles and the Felton seating and air collapsed.
Whoa. That is dramatic video we are looking at. It's a Southeast Washington family sent it in. They say they're grateful to be alive today. A windstorm ripped off part of the roof at their business. Yeah, it was, as you can see, heavily damaged. This is in Longview.
It sounded like thunder, and but we weren't sure, and then the building actually shook.
So winds were rough. It hit between 80 to 85 miles an hour there. They sent massive beams and part of the roof into their apartment, causing about $200,000 in damage. Luckily, and amazing, nobody was hurt. The National Weather Service said this was not a tornado, but they are possible in the Pacific Northwest, actually, in October.